Rosa Subido, and 6 others. So, private ko na uban nga is kuan ni Abelardo Subido. Brother of Carolina Santiago Subido, Miracle Sisagani Santiago Subido, and 18 others. So, mostly dyan sa iyang family and private ang names. He was a poet, journalist, publisher, author, lawyer, diploma, and civil service commissioner of the Philippines. Also, Abelardo Subido is one of contributors of Philippine literature during the early to mid-20th century. He was the part of generation writer who wrote in English following the American colonial period, showcasing the influence of Western literature tradition while integrating Filipino themes and sensibilities. So Abelardo Subido, he was a former commissioner of the civil service in the Philippines. He served as a commissioner of the civil service for 8.5 years until 1971. So, nagigay na siya nagkuhan sa Philippines as a commissioner. He studied at University of Puerto Rico. He pursued advanced education in United States. So, daghan nag-work si Abelardo Subido, but most notable work ni Abelardo Subido o ang mas known is the poem Soft Night. So, oni ang iyang kuan. Ang mga kuan ni Subido, ang iyang mga work like essays, ang poems kay nagkuan siya explore siya sa theme na love of nature, about sa the feel sa isang katao. So, mao na ang mga theme sa iyang mga works. So, Soft Night reflect the lyrical and advocate style that characterized much of his poetry. This piece captures the beauty of the night and contemplative atmosphere it evokes, using language that intertwines emotional depth and vibrant imagery. So, while nag-search ko about any work